Hey guys, it's Seamus Johnson, My Lawnmower Repair Guy. I'm back again with another video. It's extremely busy. It's crazy busy. This right here is the end of August and we're still busy, real busy. Got a lot of machines. It's been raining almost every day. Got a lot of content I'm gonna make for you guys. But today I'm gonna show you something on a machine here. If you ever get on a machine or if you ever have a lawnmower where your foot pedal or your brake pedal is pulsating back and forth, I'm going to show you what the problem is. I'm going to show you here real quick. Give me 1 second. Let's go ahead and fire it on up.